Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, money just doesn't seem to stay in your life? You put in the effort, try to save, and even look for new opportunities, but somehow, financial abundance always feels just out of reach. What if the key to breaking this cycle wasn't about working harder, but about shifting your energy? In 2025, you have the opportunity to align yourself with wealth in a way that feels effortless, using a simple but powerful ritual with just 3 ingredients: cinnamon, sugar, and water. Cinnamon has been used for centuries as a symbol of prosperity and financial magnetism. Sugar carries the energy of sweetness, helping to attract good fortune and pleasant surprises. And water is the ultimate conductor of energy, absorbing and amplifying intentions. When combined, these elements form a ritual that naturally harmonizes your energy with financial abundance, allowing money to flow more freely into your life. Imagine waking up every day knowing that opportunities, money, and success naturally flow toward you. This ritual helps create that shift, turning your financial luck around and strengthening your belief in your ability to manifest wealth. But why does this work? And how does Buddhism connect with everyday prosperity rituals? Stay with me until the end, and I'll show you how to harness this powerful technique to transform your financial reality. Money is more than just numbers in a bank account. It's energy. And just like energy, it flows where it is welcomed, nurtured, and aligned. Yet many people feel stuck in cycles of financial struggle, constantly battling scarcity, unexpected expenses, and opportunities that seem to slip away. Why does this happen? It's not always about effort or intelligence. Often the root cause is an energetic misalignment with abundance. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to attract money effortlessly while others work tirelessly and barely get by? The answer lies in vibration and belief systems. If deep down you associate money with stress, fear, or difficulty, those emotions become part of your financial reality. When your thoughts are filled with worry, will I have enough? What if I lose everything? You unknowingly create resistance, blocking the natural flow of wealth. In Buddhist teachings, this is known as the law of cause and effect. Your external reality is a direct reflection of your internal state. One of the biggest obstacles to financial abundance is attachment to scarcity. When people desperately hold on to money or obsess over not having enough, they reinforce the very state they fear. Buddhism teaches that clinging to something, whether it's wealth, relationships, or outcomes, creates suffering. True abundance flows when you trust, release fear, and open yourself to receiving. The more you believe in the natural flow of prosperity, the more money finds its way to you. But what does it mean to shift into an abundant mindset? It starts with small but intentional actions that send a message to your subconscious mind. I am ready to receive. This is where spiritual rituals come in. They aren't just symbolic. They actively rewire your energy field, helping you release limiting beliefs and invite wealth into your life. Now you might be wondering, how can something as simple as cinnamon, sugar, and water help dissolve financial blocks? The answer lies in the energetic properties of these ingredients and how they interact with your subconscious mind. When used with the right intention, this practice reshapes your financial energy field, allowing you to attract money, opportunities, and prosperity with greater ease. Every substance in the universe carries a unique energy, and when combined with intention, it can amplify specific vibrations to bring transformation. Cinnamon, sugar, and water are not just everyday ingredients. They hold deep energetic properties that have been used in spiritual traditions for centuries to attract prosperity, dissolve negative energy, and accelerate abundance. When you understand the spiritual meaning behind these elements, you begin to see why this simple ritual is so effective in shifting financial energy. Cinnamon has long been associated with wealth and success. Used in ancient cultures as a spice of attraction, it was believed to bring fast results in financial matters. Its fiery energy represents movement, acceleration, and expansion, qualities that help money find its way to you quickly. In Buddhist and Eastern spiritual practices, cinnamon is used to clear energetic stagnation, removing blockages that prevent prosperity from flowing into your life. When you incorporate cinnamon into your financial rituals, you're sending a clear message. You are ready to receive abundance now. Sugar symbolizes sweetness, joy, and positive attraction. It enhances whatever it touches, making things more pleasant, enjoyable, and harmonious. In the realm of finances, sugar is used to attract pleasant surprises, financial opportunities, and unexpected sources of income. It softens energy, removing harsh blocks that might be preventing money from flowing easily. Just as sugar sweetens food, it sweetens your financial reality, making wealth an enjoyable and natural experience rather than a struggle. Water is one of the most powerful elements in spiritual practice because it is a universal conductor of energy. It absorbs intentions, emotions, and vibrations faster than any other natural element. That's why many cultures use water in rituals to cleanse, purify, and set new energetic patterns. In Buddhist teachings, water represents flow and adaptability, two essential qualities for financial success. Money, like water, needs to move freely without resistance. If it stagnates, it creates scarcity. When you infuse water with cinnamon and sugar while focusing on abundance, you are programming the liquid with the vibration of wealth, allowing it to flow into your life effortlessly. When these three elements are combined, they create a harmonizing effect on your financial energy. Cinnamon brings speed and attraction, sugar ensures that money flows in a joyful and effortless way, and water carries your intention, distributing it into the universe. This combination resets your financial energy, making you more receptive to wealth and opportunities. But knowing the power of these ingredients is just the beginning. The true transformation happens when you put this knowledge into action. Before we reveal the step-by-step ritual, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for powerful insights into Buddhist teachings, the law of attraction, astrology, numerology, and spiritual growth. Your support helps us bring you more life-changing content. Comment below, I claim wealth, success, and happiness in my life in 2025. This simple affirmation is your first step to aligning yourself with the prosperity of the universe. When you say it, you activate the energy of success and financial freedom in your life. Now, it's time to begin the ritual. But first, I need to warn you. This ritual is simple, but incredibly effective when performed with the right mindset. Remember, the key to success lies in intention, consistency, and belief. When you approach this practice with an open heart and trust in the flow of abundance, you create the perfect conditions for money to flow into your life with ease. To perform this ritual, you will need a glass of clean water, preferably filtered or spring water, as it carries the highest vibrational frequency. A pinch of cinnamon. Just a small amount is enough to activate its energy of attraction and acceleration. A teaspoon of sugar, to sweeten financial opportunities and bring ease into money-related matters. A quiet space. Choose a place where you won't be disturbed, allowing you to fully concentrate on your intention. The ritual process. 1. Set your intention before touching the ingredients. Take a deep breath and focus on what you want to attract. Do you need more financial stability? Are you looking for new opportunities? Imagine your ideal financial situation as if it's already happening. 2. Prepare the water or hold the glass of water with both hands and close your eyes for a moment. Visualize the water as a blank slate, ready to absorb the energy of abundance. 3. Add the sugar. As you sprinkle the sugar into the water, say in your mind or aloud, "I welcome sweetness, joy, and effortless abundance into my life." Oh, stir the water gently in a clockwise direction, symbolizing the forward motion of prosperity. 4. Add the cinnamon. Oh, as you add the cinnamon, feel its power of attraction and acceleration activating in your energy field. Oh, say, "Money flows to me quickly, easily, and in unexpected ways." Oh, stir again, allowing the cinnamon and sugar to dissolve fully, merging their energies with the water. 5. Drink or use the water in your space, or you can now choose how to complete the ritual. Drink a few sips. This internalizes the energy of prosperity, allowing it to work from within. Sprinkle a small amount in your home, especially near doorways or your workspace, to invite financial blessings. Wash your hands with it, symbolizing the attraction of money and financial transactions. For the best results, repeat this ritual on Thursday mornings, as Thursdays are ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, abundance, and financial growth. However, you can also perform it anytime you feel the need to realign your financial energy. The more consistently you practice, the stronger the results. But remember, this is not about forcing money to come to you. It's about opening yourself to receive it. By trusting in the process and aligning your energy, you create the conditions for financial flow to happen naturally. Abundance is not just about money. It is a state of mind, a way of being, and a reflection of our inner world. In Buddhism, wealth is seen not as something to chase, but as something that naturally flows to those who are in harmony with the universe. The cinnamon and sugar ritual is not merely a symbolic act. It is a way of realigning your energy with prosperity through mindfulness, gratitude, and detachment from scarcity. One of the core Buddhist principles is impermanence. Everything is constantly changing, including money. When we cling too tightly to wealth out of fear, we actually block its natural flow. People who stress over finances, constantly worry about bills, or feel desperate to attract money often experience the opposite, more financial struggles. Why? Because fear creates resistance, and resistance stops energy from flowing. In contrast, those who practice non-attachment and trust in abundance allow money to come and go freely. They understand that money is like water. When it moves, it nourishes. When it stagnates, it becomes unhealthy. This is why the ritual uses water as the carrier of intention. It reminds us to let go of fear, trust in the process, and allow wealth to circulate naturally. Buddhism teaches that our external reality is shaped by karma, the law of cause and effect. Every thought, action, and emotion we put into the world creates a ripple effect, returning to us in some form. If you constantly think, "I never have enough money," that belief imprints on your subconscious, reinforcing scarcity. But when you perform rituals like this one with a mindset of gratitude and openness, you shift your karmic energy toward abundance. This is why intention matters. It is not just about mixing cinnamon and sugar in water. It is about setting a clear, positive financial frequency. Each time you perform this ritual, you are programming your mind to expect wealth, opportunities, and financial ease. Another key Buddhist teaching is mindfulness, being fully present in the moment. Many people live in financial stress because they are either stuck in past regrets, "I've always struggled," or future anxiety, "What if I lose everything?" But true prosperity comes when you are fully present, recognizing and appreciating the abundance that already exists in your life. This ritual serves as a daily mindfulness practice, anchoring you in the present and reinforcing the belief that money is flowing to you effortlessly. It is not just about attracting wealth, it is about aligning your entire being with the energy of prosperity. You now have everything you need to start shifting your financial energy and welcoming abundance into your life. This ritual is more than just a mix of ingredients. It is a powerful act of alignment, intention, and transformation. By combining cinnamon for attraction, sugar for sweetness, and water for flow, you are actively changing the way money moves toward you. But knowledge alone is not enough. The true change happens when you take action. Some people may think, can something this simple really change my financial reality? The answer is yes, but only if you believe and commit to it. The most successful people, whether in business, spirituality, or life, understand that energy influences everything. When you reinforce positive beliefs and habits, you start attracting the right opportunities, connections, and financial breakthroughs. And remember, this ritual works best when paired with gratitude. Take a moment after each practice to acknowledge the abundance that already exists in your life. Even small things, like a roof over your head, food on your table, or an opportunity to learn, are signs that prosperity is already flowing to you. The more you recognize what you have, the more you receive. Now I encourage you to do something powerful. Write in the comments, I claim wealth, success, and happiness in my life in 2025. This is more than just engagement. It is a way of setting your intention into movement. Declaring your focus in a public space sends a strong, energetic message that you are ready to align with prosperity. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more content on ancient wisdom, Buddhist teachings, and law of attraction. And don't forget to share this with someone who could use a little more prosperity in their life. Let's spread the energy of abundance together. See you in the next video.